Today topic concentration of solution. Today topic concentration of solution. So what is concentration of solution? Already discussed the last class. Concentration of solution means the quantity of solute present in the solution. The quantity of solute present in the solution. So okay, how to calculate the quantity of solution? In the percentage level you can calculate in the quantity of solution. So the percentage level, actually the two formula is there, then calculate of the concentration of the solution. The first one, mass by mass percentage of solution. The first one, mass by mass percentage of solution. The first one, mass by mass percentage of solution. Okay, the formula, mass of solute means the weight of solute, okay, by mass of solution, by mass of solution in the 100. Okay, this first formula, mass by mass percentage of solution. Mass means weight, okay, in kilogram level. It's a kilogram level. Okay, then second one, the solute. Okay, then second one, mass by volume percentage of solution. Okay, the first one, mass percentage of solution, then second one, volume percentage only. First one, kilogram, second one, liter. One formula is there, mass of solute by volume of solution in the 100. Actually, the solute can be calculated by, there are two methods. One is mass, one is a volume. Okay, in kilogram and liter. Okay, one numericals we can discuss, then only you can easily understand. Okay, the first numericals, I will write the numericals. Okay, the first numericals, the example numericals. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt. 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. 320 gram of water. Then calculate the concentration. In terms of mass by mass percentage of the solution. Okay, the first formula. Then example, a solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of solution. Now you can calculate the mass by mass percentage of solution. Now the mass of the solute. So mass of solute, the weight mass of solute. So given data, given mass of solute. So how many gram? A solution contains 40 gram of common salt. So common salt is a solute. So mass of solute is a 40 gram. Then mass of solvent. mass of solvent. Mass of solvent. So 320 gram of water. Water acts as a solvent. Water acts as a solvent. 320 gram. Now mass of solution. Actually mass of solute we know that. Mass of solvent also know that. Then calculate the mass of solution. So mass of solution. Mass of solution equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. Mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So mass of solute 40 gram. Mass of solute plus 320 is mass of solvent. So equal to 320 plus 40, 360. 320 to 40, 360 gram is mass of solution. Okay, 360 gram. Now you know the formula, mass by mass percentage. So the formula we can discuss about mass by mass percentage of solution. You know the formula. The first formula already I discussed. The first formula, mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Mass of solute by mass of solution. Mass of solution into 100. So mass of solute 40 gram. Okay, mass of solute equal to 40 gram. Mass of solute 40 gram. Then mass of solution already we know that 40 plus 320, 360 is the mass of solution. So 360 into 100. 360 into 100. Okay, 360, 100. Now we can cut it. 0, 0. 0, 0. Now 40 into 10, 400. So 40 into 10, 400 by 36. Okay, 136, then 4, 0. So again 136 by 4, then again 1. Okay, they will continue 1. So the value of the percentage of solution, 11.1 percentage. 11.1 percentage. Okay, thank you.